Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix OpenClaw Gateway not working. All right, let's begin. If your OpenClaw Gateway crashes, you can quickly bring it back online by restarting the service through your terminal. First, if you are currently in the setup wizard, exit by pressing Ctrl+C to return to the standard command line. To restart the gateway, you need to execute one specific command: system.cli user restart OpenClaw Gateway. I have placed this command in the pinned comment below, so you can easily copy and paste it. Please note that this command requires OpenClaw to be installed globally on your system. If you see an OpenClaw command not found error, it means the global installation is missing. Once you have the correct command ready, press enter to execute it. After a few moments, the gateway service will restart, restoring your connection and allowing you to use OpenClaw as normal. So that's basically how you can fix OpenClaw Gateway not working. That's it for this video. Thanks.